guys and gals, welcome back to the channel where today we are unboxing this Ozito heat gun kit. So go ahead, open it up and see what's in the box. So you can see it comes in this nice case. And here's what's in the box. You can see we've got our heat gun kit, 2000 watt, and the specs right there. We've got our warranty and instruction manual, and then you got a couple different scrapers here, and then a variety of nozzle tips. Come up here, you can see right there we've got off, and then on, and then max power, and then you've got your knob there, which you can dial up or down as needed. And then it's nice, it comes in its own hard case as well. Alright guys and gals, so that's what's in the box. If you found this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys back in the next one. Yeah.